So today I'm working on the Toyota. I'm gonna do front brake rotors. I'm gonna do extended brake lines. So for the extended brake lines, we literally just have an extra set of rear, I think it's the rear center. So one end's male, one end's female. It's literally like, I'm pretty sure it's that one, yeah. Boom to boom. So you take that, you buy that one. It's like 30 bucks from your parts store in Canadian. I don't know what the hell it is in freaking Bald Eagle money, but add it onto here. Boom, right there. Join it in, extended brake line. Because this is not cutting it. That's already like, that's close. So we're gonna extend those, and we got new rotors. So apparently these secondhand rotors don't work. So we're not installing rotors today. We're only doing extended brake lines, but that's fine. My rotors really aren't like the worst. They just look bad. Pretty grooved out, but so we already cracked this loose and I wasn't paying attention. Didn't put on the camera, but of course it started to strip out, so we had to use vice grips, but that's fine. So we're gonna be trying to be as quick as we can and lose the least amount of brake fluid as possible. Boom, that was pretty quick. Let's get this one on. Beauty. Need to go get another 17. We're gonna bust these two tight. Bust them tight. One side done. We're gonna do the other side. So this is the finished look. Might do something better for the mounting bracket, but we got a decent amount of down play. Obviously fucking up play is gonna be fine. The other side looks like it sits a little better. It does sit nicer, but it's away from the tire, should be. Hopefully. We'll find out. I'll turn it and we'll see. So I ended up putting this on the back side. I'm still not 100% on this. Might do something different, but I do have a lot of down travel, like probably like 10 inches, and I don't even know if it goes that much, but it might. The shocks are only 12, so I don't even know if I get that full range though. So yeah, I think it's gonna stay like that for now at least, and we'll see how it works.